Hey guys, it's about 7:45 in the morning and we are off to Roots Bakery to get some breakfast before we head to Mel Gibson Beach.
Got to the beach. Reese is concerned there's crocodiles over here. So the kids are having a lot of fun here. This is a really cool beach. I highly recommend it. Mel Gibson's house is around here somewhere. Let's see if we can find it with the drone. One juice? I just made a $300 mistake on this drone. It's currently swimming in the ocean. I'm gonna go see if I can't find it. Highly doubtful. Damn it! Just like circled the drain on me. Search complete. Nothing found. Expensive mistakes. We almost lost the phone. Sunglasses. We officially lost the drone though. So if you come to here, I'd highly recommend probably not having your kids swim. It's pretty strong current. Christine and I are kind of getting sucked out, but the beach is absolutely beautiful and there's tons of wood for the kids to make forts. Perfect breeze, so it's not too hot. I highly recommend coming here if you ever get a chance. Time to clean up for dinner and heading out to Manuel Antonio tomorrow and go hang out at our sweet hotel we got. You'll see that on the next episode. So hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you watch our videos and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, look who's creeping in there. Later.